Hi, Fee Tui Win here, and welcome back to another segment of Tea with Fee. In this episode, I want to share with you a perspective that can really help remove a lot of stress and tension out of your life. So, if you have not made yourself your favorite mug of tea, pause the video, make your tea, come back, snuggle up, relax, and allow us to explore this together. Many of us experience a lot of stress and tension in our lives because there's a pressure on ourselves to be perfect. While we may not share this desire to be perfect with other people, the fact is there's a running dialogue in our minds that is very self condemning, very self critical, uh, very negative about who we are and how we show up because somehow we think that we should be this perfect person who should be able to show up like such and such all the time. Well, here's my perspective on that. The path of perfection makes us show up to be who we're not. So we end up pretending to be who we're not in the desire to be perfect. And so that puts a lot of pressure, stress, and strain on ourselves to pretend to be who we're not because we have this idea that we should somehow be perfect. And so even if we feel sad, we don't want to honor our sadness because we think, well, if I'm perfect, I'm this kind of person. I shouldn't feel sad. I shouldn't be angry. I shouldn't be tired. I should have more energy. I should this. I should that. And so the person who ends up showing up in each moment is not who we really are. We're pretending to be who we're not. And in that misalignment, in that not being true to who we are, there's a deep sense of lack of fulfillment and a strong disconnection within ourselves and within our lives. I offer you the opportunity, instead of walking the path of perfection, to choose to walk the path of authenticity. Because when I can embrace myself fully as I am, where I am, with how I'm feeling, and be honest and be authentic and say, I feel tired or I feel sad, I feel really happy because this happened. I'm being authentic to who I am, and I don't need to pretend to be who I'm not. And by walking and choosing to show up authentically and embracing every aspect of myself, therein lies my freedom. Because then I can show up to just be instead of trying to pretend to be who I am not, which boxes me in, traps me, and makes me be a certain way instead of just being the way that I'm being in this moment and allowing that to be okay. So the true path of freedom is the path of authenticity. Now, the natural unfolding of life will allow me to continue to grow and to excel and to have more skills with this and have more skills with that. And while I'm growing and learning and evolving, I continue to remain to be authentic on my journey and showing up as I am, who I am, where I am, instead of being here and pretending to be somewhere else. You know, there's so many beautiful aspects of our lives, and Mother Nature has all these beautiful expressions. And a flower is not trying to be a tree. A bamboo is not trying to be an oak. And in its bamboo-ness, therein lies its beauty. In its oakness, therein lies its beauty. And if we can allow ourselves some space to truly be authentic, that beauty will come out. The light that is truly within each of us will come out. But if we ignore that light and try to pretend to be who we're not, then the light doesn't have a chance to shine. So for your Tea with Fee experience today, take the rest of the time that we have together and more, and choose to check in with yourself and honor yourself where you are, and make a commitment that throughout the day you're going to show up and ask yourself,